Adding and subtracting complex numbers is actually rather simple because they are just they involve I, and I is just a square root, and we already know how to add numbers with square roots. So for example, if I want to add the complex number 2 plus 3i plus the complex number negative 4 plus I, then you would do just as you expect. I'll remind you that when there's nothing in front of a set of parentheses, you could put a 1 and then distribute the 1 through to basically drop all of your parentheses, and you could write this as 2 plus 3i minus 4 plus I. And then you do just like you would expect. You combine all the like terms. So the 2 minus the 4 is negative 2, and the 3i plus the I is positive 4i. And so what we end up with is a new complex number, negative 2 plus 4i. So it's very simple. So what if you have something like this? 1/2 minus 5/4 I minus 2/3 minus 8i. Well, you do just like we said before. You can put 1s in front of these and distribute them. However, this 1 is negative, so make sure to distribute the negative with it, and you end up with 1/2 minus 5/4 I minus 2/3 plus 8i. So I'll highlight the like terms here, and then you can either do them by hand or use a calculator for the fractions. 1/2 minus 2/3, the common denominator is 6, so you can multiply top and bottom of this by 3 and top and bottom of this by 2. And so you'd end up with 3/6 minus 4/6, which is negative 1/6. And then same thing here, you could put your 8 over 1. Common denominator between the purple ones would be 4, so you multiply top and bottom by 4. So you've got negative 5/4 plus 32/4. That's negative 5/4 plus 32/4 is 27/4 I. So that's another new complex number where the real part is negative 1/6 and the imaginary part is 27/4.